Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna share with you the easiest way of how I make gesso at home. For gesso, you are just gonna need plaster of Paris and fevicol. Just take equal amount of plaster of Paris and fevicol and mix it nicely. Mix it properly so that it doesn't have any lumps. You can also add some water if needed. And yes, now it's ready for use. For now, I am taking a cardboard and painting its base coat with the gesso. All the art supplies comes really very expensive, either it's gesso or chalk paint, textured paste or Mod Podge. But if you can easily make it either with p.o.p or chalk powder or baby powder with fevicol, and it would hardly take 50 to 60 rupees. I will also be sharing some of the other art supplies also. You can check it down in the description below. After finishing, let it dry for some time. So this is the cardboard after drying. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell notification.